Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajayastromoneyguru. Welcome all of you today on 7th December 2021. In this episode, we will discuss about what all things you need to consider for the Indian stock markets, and this is the live show during the live market so that you can get maximum benefit from our analysis. And the purpose coming as a live is because to reduce the editing time, which usually take around 2 to 3 hours before uploading the any before uploading our episodes. So, if you remember in our yesterday's episode, which yesterday's night's episode, in which I have recommended certain things about the Indian stock market, and I have discussed deeply of the yesterday's Indian stock market session. As I have discussed, the yesterday the Indian stock market have seen significant downward movement because of the IT stocks, and since the IT stocks were the only IT sector is the only sector which was showing and making strength in Nifty from past 2 to 3 weeks. But yesterday the IT stocks also have shown downward movement along with other sectors. And in our yesterday's episode, I have strongly put my view that today, that is from 7th December 2021, we are expecting recovery in Indian stock market, especially in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And exactly things can be seen right now in the Indian stock market. Currently, the Nifty is trading at the daily high at around 17,200 and is up by around 290 points. And Bank Nifty is also up by around 1,000 points, and to be exact, by around 970 points and trading at the level of 36,703. So I hope you liked our analysis. Today, mostly all the indices stocks, that is the Nifty 50 stocks, are up, and especially the banking stocks are showing significant upward movement in today's session. Now we will discuss about what is expected in the Indian stock market for the next coming trading days and what all things you need to consider. So coming before coming up to the Indian markets, let us first consider the US stock market and other global markets. In the yesterday's session, the US markets were significantly up, whether it is Dow Jones, Nasdaq, all were up significantly and showed good return. And the reason was because the Omicron variant of the coronavirus is considered as a as a mild variant of the coronavirus, and there is no much severity in that virus as compared to its other variant like Delta variant and all that. Therefore, the US market have shown significant upward movement. Although the US inflation data is due for the Friday, and many of the analysts and economists are expecting high inflation data. So let's see what will happen. And since the US jobs data were bad, and if the inflation data come as a high inflation, then there will be not then that will not be a good sign for the inflation, as the income, it indicates that the income is low while the inflation is high, that is the spending is high. Therefore, this is not the good sign for the economy. But if it comes as a moderate and low inflation, then we need not to worry much. And coming to the Asian markets are also showing strength. And if you remember in our previous episodes also, we have strongly recommended that Omicron variant is not as deadly as compared to the Delta variant as per the WHO till now. And exactly, and the markets is uh, overreacting on the news of Omicron variant of coronavirus, and the markets is soon expected to show recovery, and exactly things has been seen in today's session. So now coming to the Indian markets are showing further positive, are expected to show further positive move, and Nifty and Bank Nifty are expected to continue with its positive trend, as we have already mentioned in our Friday's episode that This week, that is the current week, is recovery in Nifty and Bank Nifty, especially, and in Indian markets, and things can be seen exactly like that. So I hope you liked our analysis. Also, if we consider the stock specific, you can consider Tata Steel, Steel Authority of India. These two stocks are expected to show good positive return. Tata Steel is currently trading at around 1146.50 and is up by around 3.40%. And similarly, the Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL, is also showing more than around 4.42% upward movement and is trading at around 107.45. These stocks have been recommended by us well in advance to our paid client also in the yesterday's session. So you can also join our paid services. For that, you can contact us. Our contact details are given in the description as well as they are on the screen. Also, I'm repeating that we are expecting this recovery to continue for next few trading days also, in especially Nifty and Bank Nifty and in Indian markets. So I hope you liked our episode. So thank you and good day, and see you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.